In a small town, the annual cooking contest was the highlight of the year. People from all over competed, but this year, Jerry, known for his infamous burnt toast, decided to take part. He was determined to impress the judges with his secret recipe, spaghetti with extra garlic and chocolate sauce. On the day of the contest, the smells of delicious dishes wafted through the air, but Jerry was in a frenzy. As he stirred his unique concoction, he accidentally knocked over a jar of garlic into the boiling pot. Panic set in. Dashing to fix it, he slipped and fell, sending chocolate sauce flying everywhere. It splattered all over the judges, who were horrified. When it was Jerry's turn to present, he stood up, covered in chocolate and garlic, grinning from ear to ear. The head judge, wiping chocolate from his eyes, asked, "What do you call this dish?" Without missing a beat, Jerry replied, "It's a new trend. Chocolate garlic delight, bringing sweet and savory to a whole new level." The judges burst into laughter, and though he didn't win, Jerry became the star of the show, proving that sometimes humor is the best recipe.